This is a finished look of my Italian leather sofa. How it looks before this. I'm gonna take all the cushions and the dough, everything away from it, and then discover what you could see for the leather on the backrest. Okay, and here's what I installed. It's a body pillowcase. Actually, what I did is I detached at the bottom the thread, and you see how it looks. How it looks before. So the leather on the backrest all chipped out, and look at this one. This one is all chipped out. So what I found is you can see there's some leather paint. I tried with the leather paint for a while. The leather paint chipped off again. And then I also tried to put some cut stickers like the leather sticker you can put on just come out. So it's not a long-term solution. And so at the end, what I found is like I purchased this body pillow, and my idea comes from this body pillow. One day I found if I put a body pillow here, it looks like the same size like my backrest, one of my backrests. So then I found this similar color of this online on Amazon. And so two of it only cost me $67, including the tax and shipping. And originally I don't know how it will look because from the Amazon information it didn't tell you the zipper. The picture doesn't show the zipper is like whole or vertical. So I don't have that information. I'm not sure if I can zip it or not. When I get it, what I did is like I found if I just zip it up and then we can take a look at where the thread, where it's the sewing is done, then it's sewed. So then I found I don't need to spoil the entire pillowcase. What I can do is like I can leave because for the sofa from this end to this end, then there's a picture there, and I don't want to move it, and I don't want to turn the sofa over and undo it. So what I did is just keep it. And this size is around that size, and just leave that room. And then I just take off the threads from here. And for the other side, also do the same thing. So leave a bit on the other end. And so what turned out, it works really good. At the end, I don't need to do it. Don't need to use the zipper anymore. So I can zip it up. And then I just need to put it up as a cover. But if you purchase those leather covers, it doesn't cover the entire back. So you can see it's very tight at the end, and there's some elastics. And so it just it's very tight. It doesn't cover the entire back, but this one covers the entire thing, front and the back. And it works really well. My daughter told me it's very comfy. And yeah, it looks as well. It looks great as well. And you just need to put it on. And if it's dirty, then you can pick it out very easy and wash it. And then and it's
very easily.
If you just put some leather sticker on it, and it could wrinkle, but for this kind of fluffy things, it's like fluffy, and you don't need to worry about the wrinkle at all. You just put it on. So I think it turns out really great. My daughter is helping me to put the other end down, and then we're gonna put all the cushions back. So, but like by the comparison from the before and after, I think I'm very satisfied with what it turns out at the end.